Wishing a very auspicious morning to respected principal ma'am, esteemed teachers, and my dear friends.
It fills us with immense pride and excitement to welcome you all to today's special class assembly. Self reflection is a bridge between experience and wisdom. It turns movement into lesson and mistakes into stepping stones.
Are you ready for exciting morning full of fun, laughter, and unforgettable moments, where we will delve into a topic that has the power to change ourselves, the significance of self-reflection for personal growth. As the great philosopher Socrates once said, an unexamined life is not worth living.
God knows when to send you exactly what you need. Let's pause for a moment of peace and gratitude. Let's invoke the divine presence through a heartfelt prayer. Now, we invite the Harmony crew to lead us in prayer and fill our heart with peace and positive energy.
UN agencies that provide aid worldwide cut jobs costs as US funding drops. Trump to ease 25% auto tariffs to support US car makers' factory jobs. US consumers' confidence hits 5 years low and rising tariff concerns. US keeps India on priority watch list for alleged IP violations. UPS to cut 20,000 jobs on lower Amazon shipment profit beats estimate.
Now some sports news. KKR defeats
Exciting what you see. Accept yourself, love yourself, and keep moving forward.
Words had the power to inspire, enlighten, and change the world. Let's now witness the power of words as we invite Smira and Akshita to present their speech.
Welcome to everyone. I, Sumaira, and I, Akshita, are here to share the transformative power of self reflection and personal growth. Picture a moment when you looked in a mirror not to check your appearance but to truly see yourself. What do you think you become? What energy do you feel you attract? What legacy do you imagine you create? These questions lie at the heart of self reflection, a practice that shapes who we are and who we aspire to be.
What self reflection actually is. At its heart, self reflection is the deliberate act of turning our gaze inward. It's about examining our thoughts, feelings, actions, and experiences with curiosity and honesty. It's like holding a flashlight to your soul, illuminating your strengths, your dreams, and even the shadows you might want to grow beyond. For example, after a tough day, reflecting might mean asking, why did I feel so frustrated? What can I do differently tomorrow? This simple act helps us understand ourselves on a deeper level.
Why it matters in today's world. In today's fast paced world,
I sometimes find regret, confusion, fleeting pride beneath the soil they do not hide. I water them with honest thought, the lessons pain and joy have brought, and slowly shoots of insight grow from roots that reach to depths below.
कक्षा 10वीं डी का छात्र आप सभी के समक्ष हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है मैं खुद से मिला। जब भी जीवन में आई उलझने मैं रुका, किया आत्मचिंतन, भीतर जाकर खुद से पूछा क्या सही हूँ, क्या है सच्चा।
We do not learn from experience. We learn from reflecting on experience.
The unexamined life is not worth living.
Personal growth is not a matter of learning new information, but of unlearning old limits.
Time spent in self reflection is never wasted. It is an intimate date with yourself.
You cannot change what you are, only what you do.
The more reflective you are, the more effective you are.
Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom.
In order to grow, we must be willing to let go of the familiar and step into the unknown.
Self-reflection is the school of wisdom.
Until
Special appreciation to our esteemed class teacher, Mr. Parveen Bhatia, whose unwavering encouragement and mentorship inspired us to shine. We acknowledge with gratitude the tireless efforts of numerous unseen hands that worked behind the scenes to make this event a resplendent success, and to our distinguished audience comprising of grade 10 and our respected teachers. We thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence and bestowing upon your thoughtful appreciation.
Now, with great respect, we invite our principal ma'am to share her words of wisdom and guide us further on this journey of self-awareness. With this, we come to an end of the assembly. Let's take today's lesson to our heart to make self-reflection a habit, not just for a day, but for lifetime.
Yes. I would like to congratulate the class teachers, all the students and people behind this entire assembly. It was a wonderful experience and self-reflection is very important for all of us. How much of introspection or self-reflection do we do? How much of it we do? Put your hands up, children. Do you do? नहीं करते ना? करनी चाहिए. See what happens? The teacher scolded me. That's it. The teacher scolded me. Did I reflect why did she or he scolded me? I had this child for many years. I had taught this girl. She used to sit on the first bench, and she had a habit of doing like this, and you know this was her mother's habit also, right? Congratulations once again. This was so good. By the time there is the second assembly of class 10th, you will be perfect for 11th. Congratulations, sir.